I'm gonna show you how to build a campfire. And this is gonna be interesting because usually I put Seth to work on that, but I'm gonna figure it out on my own and hopefully show you the best tips to do it very easily. So we give you your split firewood already. If there are any like kind of loose ends, just peel them off. This is gonna be primo kindling. And there are a couple different ways you can build a campfire. The most common are the teepee method, where you're gonna just stack all your firewood in like a teepee form. The other is the log cabin, which is my favorite and the one I'm gonna do today. So to do this, start with our bigger pieces on the bottom. You're gonna lay them 2 flat. We're basically gonna be building a little grid here. So you got 2 pieces here. Oh yeah, some good stuff. Here, I'm gonna pull off some of these end pieces for my starter, maybe. Okay, and then come back. Oh yeah, that's good, look at that. And do 2 more. This guy is like perfect. Okay, I'm gonna leave these last 2 guys to add to the fire later to keep it going long. Then you take some of your little pieces, the kindling, put that in the middle of your little hole. Then you're gonna take your fire starter and put that right in the middle. Okay. Now you take your grill lighter, and we're just going to light that fire starter until it catches flame. All right, so our kindling has caught flame. Kind of just gotta be involved with it until your bigger pieces take off. And that's the key here. But until then, like, you can just kind of sit and be careful, make sure you don't get splinters. But some of these edges on the end, you can just kind of pull off and add it to the middle and help it really kind of get momentum. Look at that! Seth's gonna be so proud.